Okay, the one thing we should emphasize is with horn players. Let me just tell you cats something. You know, you cats have to really swing by yourself. You can't swing by the drummer. You got to swing by yourself. Everybody's supposed to swing by themselves. We can't depend on the bass player and the drummer to swing. You have to swing by yourself. If you had to play by yourself, you had to play by yourself and swing. Give a minute. Now, if I play a song, I say. I gotta swing myself. So you cats have to do the same, like with a melody. We can't depend on him to keep the tempo up. All of us supposed to keep the tempo up. Sometimes we blame it on the drummer, but all of us be slowing down. All of us slow down. So let's keep a tempo. If we say this is the tempo, let's keep it. It's hard too. You know. And so we have to keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, we got it. Okay, like this.